we turn to another Common Ground volunteer for a recipe. We are going to learn about a snack that you can make that could be the boost of energy that you need.
Well, many people may be spending a lot more time at home, but you may still be looking for a fun recipe for your family and friends, or maybe to make with your kids. Joining me now with more on this is Melisa Konecky, and she is from the Wahoo area and a volunteer with Common Ground. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Very good. Yeah, we just want to find out more about some energy bites I think you're making for us today.
Absolutely. Yeah, we're doing a good job with the social distancing here, so I'm going to do the best I can to kind of show you. This is a really quick recipe you can make. If you're kind of, for example, if you're craving cookie dough, sometimes you just need that cookie dough. They tell you not to eat it with raw eggs in it. This would be a great substitute, not to mention you're trying to watch what you eat, or you're looking for those really protein-heavy foods, this would be a great option as well. So with this, it's for the most part stuff you have in your house. We're going to start with, we've got the peanut butter here in the big jar. We're going to do oatmeal, so just whatever you get at the store. We've got some vanilla here. We've got some flaxseed you are welcome to use. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. Flaxseed is just going to add a little more fiber into these bars. We've also got honey. So as we know, honey is delicious. So you're going to go ahead and scoop that in. It's a little bit messy, but that is okay. And in typical Common Ground fashion, this is going to showcase dairy. So this is whey protein powder, just like you buy at the store or any health food store as well. So it's actually going to call for 6 scoops. So you're going to go ahead and put that protein powder in there. I'm using chocolate today. You can use whatever you have. I've used strawberry, I've used vanilla. All of it just adds kind of a little different flavor to these. So go ahead and put your protein powder in there. Then you've got chocolate chips. You could probably also use M&Ms if that's what you have. Then you're going to go ahead and just get this really stirred up. It might take you a minute or two just because, you know, it's going to be kind of sticky and kind of messy. Eventually you'll get kind of a soft dough type. And then once you have that dough, you're just going to roll it into little balls that look just like this. Throw them in the fridge and eat them as you need them.
And dig in on the energy bites there. All right. Thank you, Melisa, for joining us today.
All right. Thank you.
And by the way, that recipe can be found on our Pure Nebraska Facebook